So hi guys! Welcome back again sa ating channel. And for today's vlog, we are going to change the front tire and front tube of a M365 scooter. I will teach you how to do it the best possible way without any scratches. So just watch this video and learn how to change the tube and the tire properly. So for the tools, you will need of course the brand new tube, rubber mallet, rubber hammer, 2 vice grips, 2 levers, tire levers, cutter, so 18mm spanner, wrench, so 18, any bolt like this one. I will teach you later why you will need this bolt. Drill or any step up bit. Then my legendary spoon. You will need that. Then Allen key. So I'm just using this Makita impact wrench, so it will be faster. So the first step is to remove this sticker using a cutter. So just remove it like that. Just put it. Then remove the Allen bolts using the Allen key. Just repeat on the other side. Okay. So in removing these bolts, you have to put the spanner inside like this. Don't make it like this. So inside. Okay? So now you should take that. So same on this part. You have to use the open part of the wrench. So you can use an old tire just to put this in like this. Okay. So we will now remove the inner tube. So here, this is a difficult part to remove. The wiggle technique is not enough to remove this one. See, wiggle, 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 and then you cannot remove this one. So, what you will need is this bolt, any bolt. Okay? So, I will teach you the technique, the proper way of removing that. See? It's removed. Just by hammering it down. This part here is a plastic, so we need to make it a little bit bigger, because if not, it's very difficult to insert the new tube. So you have to make it a little bit bigger by using a step-up drill or any drill or pile or anything that would make this plastic a little bit bigger. Now it's more bigger. So let's put the new tires now. Make it like this. Okay. Make sure the orientation of the tire is correct. Like this. Insert. Okay. Then flip. Okay. Then after that, push. Push. So that the inlet is exposed. So push a little bit more. Okay. So it is now exposed. So we have to insert the tube. See? It's easy to insert. So in replacing a tube, this is the most difficult part. Inserting the tire into the wheels. So all you have to do is to get the vice grip. So just press, tire lever, okay, press, tire lever, tire lever again, here, tire lever. Then use the spoon here. See? No effort. See? Then remove. 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 Then remove the vice grips. Remove. And as you can see, it will be like this. So, just press. Press. Press inside. So, it's okay. Make sure the line is outside. Okay? So, the next step is you will pump the air. So, I'm using this Mi pump. Very handy. So, I'm setting it to 50 PSI. So, just press. So, after filling the tires with the air, so you have to insert this back to the scooter. Make sure that this lock here is on the bottom side. You see? So just put it back. And then just put the nuts. Tighten everything. And then it's done. Just put the covers. This one, just put it back. Then that's how you change a tire and a tube in a M365 scooter. See? There's no scratches. No scratches. So, if you like this video, just don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you very much and have a nice day.